Hey everyone, it's Fox Miller. Hey everyone, it's Fox Miller. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in San Antonio, Texas. I just left dinner with some friends. We just had dinner at Smoke Barbecue Texas Beer on the Riverwalk. Amazing place. Going off. See we here on the Riverwalk. About to go see the Alamo Dome. See, it's nighttime. It's nighttime here in San Antonio, Texas. Don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below how your spring break was, how it was. Don't know. I'm here for I'm here 2 or 3 more days. Then I gotta go back home. But I had an amazing time here. Throughout all of it, had a good time. You know, San Antonio's a place to be, film some content, film some YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, TikToks, post it on Instagram, and you know, doing it all. So right now we finding the Alamo Dome. Here's my San Antonio shirt. Remember the Alamo. So yeah, guys, we're looking for the Alamo. Looking for the Alamo Dome. And absolutely amazing place to be at. You know, love it though. San Antonio's a place to be at, you know. Oh, here it is. The Alamo Dome. So yeah, guys, this is the Alamo. I'll check later. I'll check later. Do it all. So yeah, guys, it's the Alamo Dome behind me. You know, remember the Alamo and everything. Out here in San Antonio, Texas. But you know, guys, I only come to San Antonio once a year, so gotta wait another year. But heck of it, I don't mind it. Hey, where's Blake at?
In the city are a lot larger than this.
Okay, I was trying to figure out what the heck. But yeah, guys, San Antonio, Texas is to be. Love it though, so let me know what's your favorite place to do in San Antonio. Favorite place to eat here in San Antonio. What's your favorite food place? Favorite food and all. You know, so yeah, guys. Remember the Alamo. San Antonio is the place to be. Dang. Let me show you. It's a good time. It's a good life. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, it's an amazing place. Thought I was just talking about it. But yeah, guys, San Antonio, place to be. Mecca people, good food. I'll make a video about my time here in San Antonio, what I did here, what places I went, you know. So I'll make a video on that, make another food review of a restaurant we just left. So yeah, I'm making it though, but you know, it's a good place. It's a good place to be, you know. San Antonio. Amazing place, amazing time. You know, so yeah, guys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it right here. Doing all. So yeah, guys, I'm here in San Antonio, Texas. Here for a couple more days. Then I gotta leave. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. I'll see y'all next time in another YouTube video. San Antonio,
Let's go.
favorite place to be. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.